In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Forms, how to add a Likert scale. A Likert scale lets people rate their agreement, satisfaction, or frequency across a simple range, and it's perfect for turning opinions into clean, comparable data. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Microsoft Forms. Sign in if prompted, then open the form or quiz where you want to add the question. Working inside the form editor keeps everything in one place and makes the next step straightforward. On the editing screen, select Add New to insert a question. A panel of common question types appears. Open the More Question Types menu, then choose Likert. This special layout gives you a grid with columns across the top and rows down the side, designed for agreement scales and similar ratings. At the top, enter your main question or theme in the title field. Think of this as the overall prompt that ties the statements together, like rate your experience with our support. Keeping this title short and specific helps respondents understand what they're evaluating at a glance. Next, define your options and statements. In the columns, type the scale points. Many forms use a 5-point range, such as strongly disagree, disagree, neutral agree, and strongly agree. Consistent labeling from left to right helps people scan quickly and answer accurately. In the rows, add the specific statements you want evaluated. Each row should be a single clear idea, written in the same direction, so higher numbers always mean more of the same thing. Use the plus button to add more statements or more scale options as needed. You can build a compact 2 or 3 item set for a lightweight check-in or a longer set when you need a fuller picture. Keep statements concise, avoid double-barreled phrasing, and stick with parallel wording to make answers comparable. When you're done entering labels and statements, click Preview. This shows you exactly how the Likert scale will look on desktop and on mobile devices. Make sure the labels don't wrap awkwardly, the order reads naturally from low to high, and the statements fit comfortably on a phone screen for quick responses. That's it. You've added a clear Likert scale to your Microsoft form, complete with a strong title, well-labeled columns, and focused statements. With a quick preview check, you're ready to collect structured feedback and turn responses into insights you can trust.